You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. In English, also in Spanish, it's pronounced Karina. Now, it's also Scandinavian. The English pronunciation, how to pronounce Karina. Karina. Some may say it as Karina, which is also fine. So you have slight variations depending on the language, the accent, the origin. Karina. How to pronounce English pronunciation Karina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.